In this video, we take a look at some of the maintenance aspects of the chainsaw. Air filter maintenance. Open the top cover with a screwdriver. Remove the cover and loosen the hand nut. Take the help of the big end of the spanner if it's too tight. Take the plastic cap off. If the air filter is dirty, apply compressed air onto the insides of the air filter. Always apply air to the insides of the air filter, not on the outside. Replace the air filter if necessary. Assemble the air filter back on the machine as shown. And tighten the hand nut. Make sure the grooves of the cover seat well on the chainsaw body. This will prevent any excess dust getting into the chamber. Snap the black clip. Let's have a look at chain sharpening. When do you actually need to sharpen the chain? You'll know your chain is okay when the wood chips look like what it's on the right of the picture. But when the wood chips start looking like what is on the left, that's when you need to sharpen your chain. Now, if you pay attention to the chain, you'll notice that the blades are looking to the left of the chainsaw, the next one is looking to the right, and the next one to the left, and it goes on like that. With the help of a chalk piece, mark the blade that you're going to start the sharpening procedure with. Now, before you actually start sharpening the chain, there are a few things to remember. The round file should make an angle of 30 degrees to the blade when looked from the top, and it should make an angle of 10 degrees when looked at from the front. Always try to use the full length of the round file and sharpen only in one direction, that is towards you. Make sure the round file fits snugly against the blade. Begin the sharpening procedure using two hands. Anywhere between 5 to 10 strokes per blade is sufficient. When that is done, move to the next blade that's facing in the same direction and repeat the process. When all the blades facing the same direction is over, move to the blades facing the opposite direction. Remember to mark the blades that have already been sharpened. It is advised to reverse the bar every time you sharpen the chain. This is to make sure that the bar wears out evenly. Assemble the chain back onto the machine as shown in the assembly video. While you're here, it's wise to ensure that the oil pump is working properly. If oil doesn't seep through as seen here, either the oil filter is clogged or the oil pump needs replacement.